we really love that the other person has their own qualities and traits. We really respect and honor that. Like, I love Mark and who he is and what he does. And I think we have this time around, I think we both have a lot of emotional maturity in that sense. Like, neither of us is threatened by, the other one. So he loves the things that I can do on my own and bring to our marriage that are a great value to both of us. And I love the things that he can do and bring to the marriage. And then when we combine those, it's better than ever. And we realize we're different. I mean, sometimes those differences, if we're in a bad mood or we're tired, we'll bump up against each other like all couples. But we usually start laughing about it, and we usually go, okay, we need to knock this off. We're just like going down a stupid path because we're cranky. Like at the end of the day when we've had huge, heavy projects and we're just like burned out. Yeah, so it's like, okay, quiet time. Let's go into some quiet time, reflective time, So, but it's worth it. That's what I would say. You become much bigger in a marriage than you can be on your own. That's the truth. It takes a very mature person to be in a marriage. Even Jesus said that. He basically said marriage isn't for everyone, but kind of when you accept that calling, it's a very big calling, and the rewards are great. I'm paraphrasing, but they are, because if you think about it, you have this complete, man and woman are pretty much made for each other. I mean, we do bring different strengths to the table. That can be a great strength in life. It really helps build a solid foundation for your life that's hard to duplicate just on your own.